Today's debate, should polygamy be legal? On my left is Ms. Skeptic, today's challenger. On my right is Mr. Advocate, today's defender. The question is simple, the answers may not be. Let's hear both sides.
Polygamy is often defended as culture, religion, or personal choice. But the law should not simply legalize every tradition. It should protect fairness and equality. In most of the world, polygamy is illegal. Countries such as the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, France, and Germany recognize only monogamous marriages because lawmakers believe marriage should give both partners equal legal status and protection. Even in countries where polygamy is legal, it is almost always men who are allowed multiple wives, while women cannot legally have multiple husbands. If a law grants one gender right, it denies the other. Can we honestly call it equal? Research has also linked polygamous families in some communities to increased competition among spouses, inheritance disputes, and poorer outcomes for some women and children. Marriage should be built on equality, commitment, and mutual respect, not on equal legal privileges. If society believes every citizen deserves equal treatment under the law, then why should marriage be any different?
The question isn't whether polygamy is for everyone. The question is whether governments should stop consenting adults from choosing it. Millions of people across Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia legally live in polygamous families. Countries such as Nigeria, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates recognize certain forms of polygamous marriage under customary or religious law. Supporters argue that if adults freely agree to such marriages, the government has no business deciding how many spouses someone may have. After all, the law already allows people to choose whom to marry. Why should it dictate how many? History also shows that polygamy has existed for thousands of years and remains an accepted part of many cultures and religions. Criminalizing it does not eliminate it. It often pushes families outside the protection of the law, leaving spouses and children with fewer legal rights. If the purpose of the law is to protect freedom rather than impose one model of family life, then shouldn't consenting adults be free to make that choice?
Freedom matters, but laws also send a message about what society considers fair. A legal system should not endorse a marriage structure that is usually unequal in rights and responsibilities. Adults are free to make many choices, but governments should recognize only those family structures that uphold equal treatment before the law.
Not everyone wants a polygamous marriage, and no one should be forced into one.
But banning it for everyone denies freedom to adults who willingly choose it. A government should protect people from coercion and abuse, not from voluntary relationships between consenting adults. Two perspectives, one question. Who made the stronger case today? Share your view in the comments and join us for the next debate on SwitchXY.